Okay, so, you know the old saying, measure twice and cut once. I got a new saying, get overconfident, spend more time straightening it up. So, what I've done here is my latch was going to catch onto this, and it's really not strong enough, so I'm going to cut it out and reinforce it with some steel, which is right the same thickness of the 2.7 millimeter. So, other than being black, it'll blend in just fine. And actually, it's going to go this way. And I'm going to set it back just a little bit more so that the door catches really well. Let's, let's shut the door. Take a look at it from the inside. You can see what I'm talking about. Okay. Well, can you see the latch button there? See how the latch button catches right there? And so we got about that much. And about that much catching, which would be perfect were this just a really loose button or super strong here with the fiberglass. I put fiberglass on it, but it's just not that strong. So I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it out and put this piece of steel in there. Right there, just like that. So, measure twice, cut once. My first thought was, well, let me show you before I get out. My first thought was I would scoop this all the way up to here, then cut that wood out so this catches on the 3/4 inch, which would have been fine. By the time I thought, oh wait, if I do it like this, I have this edge to put my gasket on. But it just isn't strong enough, and you can see right along in here, kind of Frankenstein look right along here. That's where I broke it. Put it back together. Put it back together so I can make my measurements. So let me anchor this door, and then kind of get started on this. And here's the thing, it may not be so much a mistake as it is an improvement. So, here we go again. Let's measure twice before we have to cut again. Not sure I had figured it this way. I think I'll drill. I'm going to get it working, then I'm going to go back and drill 2 more holes in it. So let's go. I already measured 2 or 3 times, and probably going to cut it several times too. I'm using a hacksaw because the wood saw is so much more aggressive. I really don't want to be getting into scratching the inside with a handsaw. I like that fiberglass smell. It smells like a new boat. See there, I cut into that a little bit, but I just barely scratched the polyurethane, so it's not that big a deal. All my little nails are in there. Little tiny nail I used. Hold it up there while I was fiberglassing it together. Glue bond and bond is really good. On. I appreciate y'all tuning in to watch my stuff. Maybe one day I can hit 1,000 subscribers. That would be cool. Just take your time and gently dump it out. One thing about it is, if you're the one building this for yourself, if you make a big bad mistake, you can always wallpaper the inside or paint it, or take it to an upholstery shop and have them do a really awesome upholstery job on the inside, upholster the walls and things like that. I'm notorious for getting my shoulder right in the video, so if I'm doing it to you again, I'm sorry. Let's get us a small bit. And pre-drill a hole. Sure, should I? Put it back there. I should put it here. I think that's going to be good right there. Just line it up where it looks good to you. And you want to use a straight edge. Put you something in there like that. That's kind of straight. Kind of straight. Get too crazy on the drilling, because I'm telling you, drill right through the outside of it, then you'll be really upset. You know what? Pre-drill that a little bit more. It's better to pre-drill and take a chance on poking all the way through, and I can't choke this up enough to stop short of 3/4 of an inch. So, hell, if you go all the way through, you can just take a wooden dowel rod and put some glue on the dowel rod, and then cap the dowel rod in from the outside, sand it off. Put a little more polyurethane on it. Chances are nobody ever see it. And when you're doing it for yourself, things like that you can do. I guess if you're doing it for somebody else, then you have to be really careful about how you do it, because you don't want to be filling up with dowel rods and stuff. I mean, it won't matter if you're. There you go. It won't matter if you're. That's a tight fit. If you're doing it for yourself, or let's say you're gonna skin it in siding, aluminum siding, then that won't matter a bit. There goes my screw. How the door works. Should shut well. We will see. Let's see if I can get in here. I'm marking all my junk. It needs to have some. There you go. I Now see how I got a little space in here? The metal's not that thick. I can put some washers under here, but I want to have a little bit of space so when I put my gasket in here, that it won't crush the gasket down, because a crushed gasket's just not doing its job as it's supposed to. So here we go. I guess over time this handle will loosen up. I'll probably take it apart and grease it. See? And now I can put 2 more screws there. Actually, I just don't really think I need 2 more screws. I thought this was closer to the thickness. Oh, I know what it is. Because I had one thickness of 2.7 down before I put this thickness on top of it. So there's where my thickness went from. So actually, I could probably cut this and drill it and hide it. Hide most of that metal with that. Ooh, that'd be kind of cool. Alright, thank y'all for watching. This is just more information on the door latches and doorknobs and hinges and stuff. I'm not really a good narrator, but you get the message. See you later.